Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the mobile capabilities of OctoPerf because OctoPerf is actually able to record any mobile application and replay the traffic from any mobile application. So to do this, I'm going to use a recorder like Fiddler, but if you're on the Linux or Mac, you can use Charles Proxy as well. It will work fine. So I have my mobile device right here, a fiddler right here. Let me show you the configuration I made to actually have this work correctly. It's not much, but when you go to fiddler options, in the HTTPS tab, I've just exported the root certificate of Fiddler to my desktop, and I've sent it to my mobile by mail, where I just opened it to trust Fiddler as a third-party tool. That way I will be able to record HTTPS traffic on my mobile from Fiddler. Then another thing I've done in connections, I allowed remote computers to connect here. So this option is mandatory if you want to do the recording. Now to the mobile device, to use Fiddler as a proxy, I need to be on the same networks than the computer. So I've done this by connecting through the same Wi-Fi network on the mobile device and on the computer. So what I can do now is go to the proxy configuration on the mobile device. So I'll go to Application, Settings, and here I have the Wi-Fi network. So what I've done on the computer, I've run an ipconfig/all to find out my IP address here for my Wi-Fi adapter, and I just do a long tap on the mobile to modify the network configuration. And then I will show the advanced options. And from there on, I can go to Proxy, select a manual proxy, and there I will be able to enter the IP address, so 192.168.1.25, and the port for Fiddler is 8888. So when I save this, all the traffic from my mobile device will be redirected to Fiddler. So now let's go in Fiddler and capture the traffic. Here I'm capturing the traffic. Now if I open any native application like this one, IMDb, Internet Movie Database, you see the traffic is recorded here. You have calls to the servers, which are recorded as well. And if you click on anything, well, you will be able to see it as well in Fiddler. So we just have to browse through your applications. Of course, this also works if you go into a browser and access any website from the browser on your mobile device. But the thing is, you could have done this with just a simple user agent switcher from your computer. So this is maybe not that interesting. Anyway, now that we've recorded traffic from our mobile device, so I can stop the capture in Fiddler. And I will be able to do as usual here. I can export all these sessions here in an HTTP archive. I will save them on my disk, call it mobile. And when I go back to OctoPerf, in OctoPerf here, I will be able to create a new user. And I can import, you see, from Fiddler or Charles Proxy, as usual as well. Mobile recording I did here. And when I upload it, we will create a virtual user profile as usual. So I recorded quite a lot of traffic, so it will take a bit of time. I will fast forward to when the virtual user is ready in the interest of time. Okay, so here we are. Our import is almost done. We'll get to our user profile in a couple of seconds. And from there on, everything will work the same as for any recording you've done on another application. So you see we have these calls to IMDb, which have been recorded here in this user profile. I won't replay load on this website, of course, it's just an example. And then you can use the any logic action, any post processor, the way you did as usual. And when you create a runtime scenario, there you will also be able to use the different mobile user agent to replace this traffic, but simulating instead of an Android like at the recording, you could simulate an iPhone here. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon on octoperf.com. And thank you, bye bye.